Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. Excuse me. I have been solving math problems out of this book, the official SAT study guide. It has 8 exams in it. There are 3 sections in each of the 8 exams. So I have 24 DVDs that I have put together, which contains the solutions to every single math problem in this book, all of the 8 exams. If you wish to purchase any of those DVDs, just send me an email. Go to the website at www.prep4sat.com. prep4sat.com. Tell me which exam and which section, and I will take care of it. I also do personal private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring. I'm located in Connecticut, but of course I'm willing to go anywhere as long as we can come to an agreement if you wish to hire my services. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that appears in exam number 8, section number 5, the very last exam, section number 5, page 859, number 17. Let's take a look at it. Number 17 is one of the last 3. As a matter of fact, there are 20 questions in these sections, which means the first 7 are classified as easy, the next 6 or 7 are classified as medium, the last 7 are hard. Generally speaking, loosely speaking, that is. This is considered a hard question. We'll see what happens. And again, as I've said before many times, the hard questions are not hard because they involve complicated math. That's not the reason. They're hard because they require some thinking that you have to learn, which is what I teach in my prep course, how to think in a straightforward manner. It says K and H are constant, and this expression that is given to us, x squared, let me change the color, this red does not write very well. X squared plus kx plus 7, and I'm told that is equivalent to, alright, is equivalent to this other expression, x plus 1 over x plus h. The question simply is, what's the value of k? You see, these two expressions are equivalent, which means that when I get x squared here, the coefficient of that x squared has to be the same as coefficient of this x squared. The coefficient of x here has to be the same as coefficient of x here, and the constant has to equal to that constant that I find there. That's all that is there. Let's carry on. I'm going to open this one first. So I get x squared plus h times x plus another x and then h. Well, there you go. Right away I know that h equals 7. Let's rewrite this thing. I'm going to take out the x common. That's all. So now I'm going to change the color one more time. If you compare the two expressions, compare this expression on this side with this right here, you see this has a coefficient of 1 and this has a coefficient of 1. This is 7, that tells me that h has to be 7. I'm going to make a note here, h equals to 7. I also know this k here has to equal this guy right here. So k equals h plus 1. But I already found the h is 7, which means k has to be 8. What is the question asking? What's the value of k? There you go, we're done. The answer is 8. Answer is D. The most common wrong answer over here that is going to be picked by the people who take the exam is E. It cannot be determined. Of course it can be determined. The coefficients have to be equal to each other. When you have two expressions on this side and that side, x squared, whatever the coefficient of x squared over here, Because they are written in exactly the same way. There is nothing different here. You got x squared, you got x, you got x squared, you got x, and you got the constant. The constant has to equal, and this has to equal this guy, obviously. Alright? As I said before, if you find my way of explaining things helpful, and if you wish to purchase the DVDs, if you want to buy the whole set of all the 24 DVDs, which will give you the solutions to every single math problem in the entire book, that's great as well. But if you just want to buy one exam or one particular section, send me an email through my website at prep4sat.com. Let me know which exam and which section. I'll take care of it. Also, if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring for SAT or GRE or GMAT, I know you're not preparing for GRE or GMAT, otherwise you wouldn't be watching it, but I just say it anyway. Get hold of me. Okay? Thank you.